Hi, this is Miss Saxon, and I have a really fun site for you to try out. It's called Buncee, and I use it a lot for lessons that I do in the Media Center, but it has a lot of fun games and little things that you can do that are like design projects, and I thought you guys might like to try it out. So I am going to show you, when you go to the site, it's app.edu.buncee.com, and it's Buncee, and I will give you this login information. But you can sign in with Google and you can use your Google account. Now, these are my sons, and you can go with your number, your lunch number, and at Marietta City or at Marietta-schools.net. And so if you click that, it should pop up and it can let you join as a student. And so then here you will put the class code. And so I'm going to give you a class code. This is one that I made for second grade. And I'm going to click on this. And it will take you to something called a dashboard. And this should let you do some really fun activities. So I'm going to, you can create your own board, and I can put things like assignments that you can do. This is under classes, and it says ALB Media Center. And I put some things that I thought would be fun to try out. There's one that's decorate your own pumpkin. And they're really fun to do. You can, I'm going to click on it, and it has a button. You click this button here that says let's do it. And let's click on this and see. Sometimes you have to do more than one click. But this is a really fun game. So it has fun with Jack. You can do your own pumpkin. You can design it however you like. And it's just kind of fun to play around with. I have a lot of fun making boards with it and doing lessons. And so I thought you guys might like to play around with making your own board too. So you can create a new one. And this is going to come in, it's going to be like you're sort of doing an assignment. This isn't something that I'm going to grade, but there's lots of fun things you can do. You can start from scratch, you can make different ones, you can make bookmarks, you can do all kinds of activities. Like if you wanted to do something for Halloween, since it's close to Halloween, you can click Halloween and you can see some of the projects they have. They have like a Halloween Would You Rather, there's this teacher costume ideas. There's lots of fun things you can play around with. And so anyway, if you would like to try this, I wanted to give you just a little lesson on it, but I hope you'll have fun with it. And I will give you the information. I'll put it on Schoology with the website and the class code.